Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to send an update to customers on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the gumroad.com and log in with your account. Then just click on the dashboard button that's located at the top right corner. And now you will need to go and click on emails right here. So here where you can post things. So now you will need to go with new email right here or just from here. So just click that button and then you will need to give your post a title. So for example, product update. And okay, so enter the version of the product, version 2.0 released. Okay, so for example, and here write your message and content and the editor, so you can include the text, images, and the links to products, downloads, or external pages and videos. So you can do that from the insert link from here, the insert image from here, so you will get forwarded into your desktop or your computer files. Also the video, so you can enter URL video, okay, from YouTube. And also you can attach the product. So if your update is related to a specific product, click attach product, okay, or attach file from here. So just download your products and attach it, and this ensure only buyers of that product receive the update. And make sure to turn on or to check the channel option, so you will post it to your profile, and that's up to you. So the engagement, if you want to allow the comments or no. And after finished, you will need to go with preview right here. So just go ahead. Okay, let me just say an example on the text. And once you click on preview, we'll see your post just like that. So you can preview it, you can see the comment section, and then once finished, go ahead with publish, set a schedule right here with the calendar icon. So choose a specific date and time, and once finished, just go with publish now, then save if you want to edit it later. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.